How to make pineapple under the sea in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. Let's combine wind plus earth, and we have dust. Dust plus water, and we have mud. Mud plus fire, and we have brick. Earth plus brick, we have house. Double water, and we have lake. Lake plus fire, and we have volcano. Let's put it aside. Lake plus lake, we have ocean. Ocean plus earth, we have Iceland. And Iceland plus volcano, we have Hawaii. Right now, water plus earth, we have plant. Hawaii plus plant, we have pineapple. And pineapple plus house, we have pineapple under the sea. Hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos. Peace out.